Hi everyone, welcome to Food Unlimited. Today I am going to be presenting Nalli Paya Curry. Let's go into the recipe. Oil 200 ml, green chilies 150 grams, boiled Nalli Paya 2 kgs. Add boiled Nalli Paya pieces. Fry for 10 minutes. Red chili powder 200 grams. Salt as per taste. Coriander powder 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well. Cook for 10 more minutes. Tamarind juice 2 cups. Mix all together. Red food color 2 pinches. All-purpose gravy curry 500 grams. Mix all together. Cook for 5 more minutes. Shift to serving bowl. Nalli Paya curry is ready to serve. Thank you.